guys, you see the fire alarm? Never ever do something like this. Never throw any objects at a fire alarm. Like, you see I threw a rubber ducky at it, and you have a rubber ducky, don't do this. Never pull the fire alarm with this toy. Like, let's say if you have a rubber ducky, if you pull the fire alarm with rubber ducky, you would still get in trouble. And you don't ever say, "Oh, why are you blaming me? I didn't pull the fire alarm. This rubber ducky did. He should get in trouble." Because this rubber ducky is not a human being. He's fake. He's not alive. He's just a toy, so you'll get in trouble because you pulled the fire alarm with him, so you would actually get in trouble. And don't throw any objects at it, like a pencil, a marker, or a cup, or don't dump water on it, because if you dump water on it, you might damage the alarm. So let's say if you don't use this Febreze Aramis thing, don't use this and throw it right into the fire alarm. Don't do that. And don't throw something like, don't get this fire bell and throw it right into the fire alarm. No, you don't do that, because if you throw something very heavy at it, you can actually break the fire alarm. You need to pay a fine if you break it. And on the strobe, see this horn strobe, the Gentex Commander 3 horn strobe? Don't use a rubber ducky and throw the rubber ducky at the horn strobe. I missed it. There, I got it. Don't ever do this. So, do not put your rubber ducky on the horn strobe. And don't put your rubber ducky on the pole station either. Because you'll know who put a rubber ducky on the pole station. It's not cool. And don't ever walk up to a fire alarm and do something like this. You know that could be not cool. And don't do something like this to the pole station. And don't do this. Don't jack around with this. These are not toys. These are life safety devices. Oh, excuse me. And don't use a key and open it. And don't change the address loop. Let me turn on the light. If the 10s are 12, leave it there. And if the 1s are 3, leave it there. And don't put your rubber ducky inside of this. Because you know that could be not cool. And don't put it in there and try to close it up and squeeze it. Because because it can get stuck in the fire alarm. And if you break the alarm, you can get into trouble for doing this. And don't put your key on the rubber ducky and the keys on the rubber ducky. Don't do this with your rubber ducky. And if you ever bought a ducky, don't do something like this. Because if you flip that switch over rubber ducky, you'll still get in trouble. And I'll be like, "Ooh, why are you blaming me? I didn't set the alarm off. This rubber ducky did. He should get in trouble." Like I said, This rubber ducky is not a human being. It's not alive. It's just a toy. So you're the one who's going to get in trouble because you flip that switch down in there, and that could set the alarm off, which is not cool. And don't scrape this fire lettering off. Don't take the handle off. Don't take the lock off. Don't take the logo off. Don't paint the alarm. Don't write on the alarm. Don't draw on it. Don't ever do that. And one thing. Don't get a fire extinguisher and try to spray on the alarm. No, if you spray on the alarm, it might ruin the alarm. So thank you guys for watching.